Connecting online through webinars has become the go-to. It's cheaper, no commuting time, and you can do it from the comfort of your own home. So today we're going to find out how long it really takes to create your webinar. I'm not competing myself, but I choose two colleagues to compete against each other. The first one who's going to go live is winning a special prize.
Hi, I'm Anne Fleur. I'm 24 and I'm doing my graduation internship here at WebinarGeek.
Hi, my name is Pam. I work at the support team and also at the marketing team as a copywriter.
I don't have a lot of experience with making a webinar. I've watched them before, but I'm confident I'm gonna win.
Well, I've got quite a lot of experience creating webinars since I work at the support team, so I help a lot of our customers with setting up their webinars. So I hope that I will get this right.
I'm confident I'm gonna win, although I don't have a lot of experience. How hard can it be to create a webinar?
Well, I think I will do pretty good since I help a lot of our customers with setting up their webinars. So it would be a shame if I can't get this right.
I think Pam has done this a lot more than me, so I'm quite nervous. I think she's gonna do better than me.
I'm pretty sure I will beat her since I've got a lot more experience.
Plot twist, before we're getting started, we have a special twist to it. We have a bowl full of little challenges, so let's find out who is going to pick the first one. You each got to choose 4 challenges that you need to do in your webinar. So let's play a game rock, paper, scissors to see who's the first one to choose.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Alright.
Alright, let's go.
Can I pick 4?
Yeah.
Alright.
Three, 2, 1. Let's start the timer.
Okay.
Alright, so let's start. Limit the number of subscribers.
Okay, I have add a moderator.
Alright, first I need to create one. I'm going to do it about my guinea pigs and you.
Just about me in general.
I want a maximum of 100 people.
How long does it have to be? 45 minutes? How about me?
I want my second card.
I have add a reminder to an email.
I want to pick an image of my guinea pig, of course.
I'm just gonna put a reminder email 1 day after the webinar, I guess. And then I need to add moderator.
I'm going to send it to my viewers, not the non-viewers, in about a day after the webinar has ended. What are you working on?
I'm trying to add a moderator, but I'm not sure if I'm in the right place. Chat settings, I guess.
Should I do the same picture of my guinea pigs for the second follow-up email or another one?
Maybe the same, because it's recognizable.
Oh yeah, that's true.
I'm just gonna add my slides first, because I'm there, so why not? I'm still trying to find where I can add a moderator.
And you schedule it, of course, because if not, it will not be sent.
Really, it was on the first page.
I'm off to my third card. The quiz. I'm adding the
My
quiz.
third card is change the SEO settings.
Oh, that's a hard one. Good luck.
But I know where it is.
I'm adding a quiz. What do my guinea pigs like to eat? Carrots, grass.
I don't know. Oh shit. I don't know if I'm doing it right, but okay. Well, I'm not sure what to ask because the presentation is about me. So
I need to add an extra broadcast. I'm on the chat, so I should know about this.
As my last card, I have to add 2 call to actions.
Oh,
That's gonna be interesting.
maybe you're faster than I am in the end. I'm live. Bam.
I'm live as well now.
I will add you as a co-presenter.
Are you able to join me as a test viewer or not?
I'm live. This one. There she is. Hey.
And the winner is...
Yay!
Congratulations! You did a great job.
Nice. Thank you. I'm so happy. Oh sis, nice. I like to upgrade my webinar studio.
Well, I went through all the steps very quickly, so at one point I thought I was gonna win, but I forgot a lot of things.
Well, the moment I thought I was going to win was when I had all the sticky notes done and I only had to do a few finishing touches on the webinar, and then I got to the live room and I won.
I choose to do this webinar about me because it's an easy topic, and I thought by myself, well, this is gonna be already hard on its own, so and also it might be a nice topic to watch for my colleagues.
I choose to host a webinar about my guinea pigs because they are very cute and I like to talk about them.
One of my sticky notes was to add a moderator, but because of the stress I totally forgot and I had to go back.
So we now know how long it takes to create a webinar. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe here down below, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Hope to see you next time.